Ever wondered what happens to your body when you skip a meal for an entire day? Today, we're exploring the fascinating science of fasting for 24 hours. Fasting for 24 hours is more than just skipping breakfast. It triggers a series of changes in your body. Let's break it down. First, when you stop eating, your body begins to use the energy from your last meal. In the first 6 to 12 hours of fasting, your body is in a fed state, burning glucose or sugar from your meal for energy. This is your body's go-to fuel, but once it starts running low, things start to shift. As the glucose runs out, usually around 12 hours, your body switches gears. It starts burning stored fat for energy instead, which is known as fat oxidation. This process not only helps you burn fat, but it also triggers the release of ketones, molecules that give your brain an alternative fuel, keeping you sharp and focused. By the 18 to 24-hour mark, your body enters what's called autophagy. This is a process where cells clean up damaged parts and recycle them. Think of it like a deep cleaning for your cells. Autophagy can support cellular repair, and even potentially play a role in reducing the risk of diseases like cancer and Alzheimer's. While fasting, many people report feeling more alert and energized. That's partly because of increased levels of adrenaline and the brain's shift to using ketones. And here's something cool. After about 24 hours, fasting can give your immune system a boost by helping regenerate white blood cells, which are essential for fighting infections. So fasting for 24 hours doesn't just burn fat, it activates processes that help your body detox, repair, and even enhance your immune system. But it's important to know that fasting isn't for everyone. If you have any health concerns or conditions, make sure to talk to a healthcare professional first. If you're curious about trying it, listen to your body, stay hydrated, and break your fast with something nutritious. It's a powerful way to reset your metabolism and support your health, one day at a time. Thanks for watching.